Okay, we're going in. Should be an easy demo. This wood's just shot. Okay. So we'll start with the back wall right here. All right, so this is the back wall. There's I guess a joist piece of wood right here. It's not strong, but it's there. And then that's the back wall again. To the left wall is here. All right, now I'm facing towards me, towards, the door. And there's that piece of wood that goes all the way across. I'll try to get underneath here too. And that's going towards the house over there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't think it's to code. I'll just say that I don't think it's to code. All right.